Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list you'll enter to Drive app and you will click. Here in this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to Storage. After that, we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.